Have you ever been out with friends or at a party and really needed a life hack? Well, don't worry, because here we are going to tell you 8 super easy hacks for parties.
Number 8, easy party poppers. For this one, you're first going to cut off the top of a balloon and tape it to a finished toilet paper roll. Once that's done, you can place some decorative paper over the whole roll and then cut a whole bunch of different colors of paper into little squares. Once you're done, put all of those into the party popper and you can flick it and have a blast.
Number 7, avoid spilling drinks. If you're ever worried about spilling your drink while you're dancing at a party, all you need to do is get the top portion of a water bottle or juice bottle with a cap at the top and slip it right on top of your can, and you will have no worries after that. Number 6, saving a carbonated drink that has been shooken up. If you're ever worried about your can overflowing after being shaken up, all you have to do is flick the top of the can before you open it. This will settle all of the bubbles and you will open it with ease. Number 5, more space for party snacks. If you're running out of space on your party table for your snacks, we have the perfect hack for you. All you have to do is hot glue some cups onto some paper plates and stack them. Then, once you're done, you'll have much more room for all of your snacks to sit on. Number 4, charcoal stick. If you've ever had a girls' night in and have tried to do charcoal face masks, but it got way too messy, we have this hack for you. This is actually pretty cool. Grab a bowl, pour some water into it, and grab the activated charcoal and put it into the bowl. Add some white clay, and once everything is in, start stirring. Once it's completely black, grab an empty deodorant stick and pour all of this into the container. Let it dry and once the lid's back on, and once it's finished drying, you can now apply it to damp skin and have no mess at all. Number 3, dry wet shoes. This one's very simple and it's for you guys who get your shoes wet on a night out. We have a solution for you. Scrape your shoes with paraffin wax and use a blow dryer to dry it, and it should be good as new. Coming in at number 2, no soap in the public bathroom. This one requires you to have some items on hand, so if you want to use this hack, make sure you have this in your bag on a night out. First off, grab a balloon and apply some soap into the balloon. Now that you have a decent amount, you can grab a toothpaste tube and cut it off at the top to use as a lid for the balloon. Now, this is an amazing soap carrier when you're traveling. Number 1, avoid anything falling into your drink. If you have a red Solo cup that you don't want anything falling into, all you need to do is cut some construction paper into a circle and cut into half of it just like this. Then glue the one side and fold it over like this, and just like that, if you place it onto your cup and tape the sides, nothing will fall into it. If you use a hole puncher to punch a hole for your straw, it makes it so easy. But anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day.